Hello et bonjour. My name is Frédéric Durand. I'm a computer graphic artist and create photoreal effect for VFX animated movies and commercials. I've been working in the business for the past 20 years and had the opportunity to work at Sound Imageworks, Disney Animation Studio, DreamWorks, Jim Henson, The Mill, Moving Picture Company, among others. On the side, I teach or been teaching at the Nauman School of Visual Effects, in the past at University of Southern California, USC, the New York Film Academy, among others. I have a Master of Art from my school in France, ENSAD, and studied at the Cooper Union in New York. Because I gathered years after years a lot of knowledge in using V-Ray, Nuke, Arnold, on our Redshift, I thought it would be time for me to create my own website and share with you this knowledge. So my website is named www.learncglight.com. It's basically for the moment $9.99 a month. And you are there, you're going to have access to numerous tutorials about our favorite softwares. For example, V-Ray, Arnold, and Redshift. Looking at the list of tutorials, I separated tutorials in 3 levels. I would say the level 1 for people who start to just know how to use Maya and want to know now a software like V-Ray, a renderer like Arnold or Redshift. Level 2 with more in-depth tutorials. And level 3 for more, I would say, voodoo tutorials. Photorealism, retexturing in Nuke, rendering and compositing with render elements, AOVs, and more. So, just to give you a little example of how deep I'm going into things, this is, for example, V-Ray 5, the new version of V-Ray, when I'm trying to explain using Nuke how to reconstruct the new passes, because with the V-Ray 5, we have now, passes that, like specular passes, that's supposed to work like they always work, but we have now a coat, we have a sheen layer, and we have to learn now how to use that in compositing. This is an example of an Arnold tutorials, explain deep compositing with Arnold, all these different methods to composite CG topics that are not always very easy to catch online. I have as well Redshift, hair shading, when you want to render your hair and your character together, or rendering characters separate, hair and characters separately. I'm trying to really go into details into V-Ray, Arnold, Redshift with a lot of Nuke. So this is my new website, guys. It's $9.99 a month. I'm going to, month after month, create new tutorials. I hope to see you there at some point. Thank you. Merci. Au revoir.